Mixing green is simple, right? Just combine yellow and blue and you'll get green. Let me try that again. Yellow and blue equals green. Okay, one more time. Yellow plus blue equals green? What's this? Okay, I swear this is the last one. Yellow mixed with blue equals green. Finally, a beautiful landscape green. So what's happening here? The basic recipe of mixing greens is just combining yellow and blue, right? We've seen earlier that depending on the pigments we used, the results vary. But how do we know which yellow and which blue to use to mix our target green shade? Generally, a warm yellow and cool blue will yield a teal shade. A cool yellow mixed with cool blue will result in a vibrant green, while a warm yellow plus warm blue will give us an olive shade. And a cool yellow and warm blue will yield a natural green. But this isn't always the case. There are some factors that we need to consider. First, the ratio of pigment and/or water. Look at these swatches. I mixed the same yellow and blue pigments, but varied how much water or pigment I used. There's also brand variations. Here's cerulean blue from 3 different brands, and if you look closely, you'll notice slight difference. And at the right is royal blue and Indian throne blue, named differently, but these brands basically use the same pigment. And lastly, the type of paper plays a crucial role. It might not be obvious to some, but if you use a paper that isn't meant for watercolors, you won't be able to see how vibrant that color is supposed to be. So, to have a deeper understanding of which yellow and blue work well for a certain shade of green, I spent quite some time to mix and match as many yellows and blues as I can to create this watercolor green recipes ebook so you wouldn't have to. Oh, and by the way, I'm giving a free copy of this ebook to anyone who completes this class. Just follow the steps in the next video.